Hi guys, Omega DD Pro 5000 here, and today I'm going to show how to install the new experimental snapshot. The download link for the snapshot will be in the description. On the snapshot page, click on download this zip file. The download file will pop out. Click on the show in folder button, then right click on the file to copy the file. Open Minecraft launcher and then start Minecraft. Go to Options, then Resource Packs, and then Open Pack folder. Go to Minecraft and find the folder named Versions. Paste the file in the Versions folder. To extract the file, you need to install WinRAR. The download link for the WinRAR will be in the description. Once you install WinRAR, you right-click on the file and click Extract here. Then exit Minecraft and relaunch it. Now we have to add the version, so go to Installations and click New Installation. Scroll down until you find the experimental snapshot, select it and then click on Create button. Find newly added snapshot on the list and click Play button. You can see it works if you see a message in the bottom left corner. By the way, I have a new cape and skin. In the next video I will show the following: Warden, Swift Sneaker, Deep Dark Cities, Skulk Sensors, Skulk Veins, Skulk Catalyst, and Skulk Shriekers. And that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.